Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video we will be learning how to fix KlonDike Adventures issue, whether it is crashing issue, freezing issue or loading errors on your device. So I'm using Android in my video. If you're using iOS, some of the steps will work for iOS as well. So first of all, open your KlonDike Adventure app on your device and make sure that you're inside this page. Once you're inside, also make sure that you check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Switch networks if necessary. Loading errors happen due to weak or unstable connections, so make sure you enable the connection first. And once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to force close the app first. Drag from the bottom of the screen and bring up the app switcher. Now go ahead and push your app card upwards to force close the app and reopen KlonDike Adventure once again. Once you do that, a simple restart can sometimes help with complex errors. After you are done, you might be able to fix your loading issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing you want to do is to free up some spaces on your device. Make sure that the device you are using has enough storage space. Press and hold any application you no longer need, and in the pop-up simply select the trash icon to delete the app. After you go ahead and delete the unnecessary apps from your device, you might be able to fix your issue. Now, another thing you can do is to clear cache on your Android device if you're using Android. Open the settings app on your Android, whether you are using mobile or tablets. Now, from the settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Select KlonDike Adventure from the app list. Once you do, from the app info section, click on Clear Data at the bottom right, and then in the pop-up Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and click OK. Once you clear the cache from your KlonDike Adventures game, get back to the game, and this time you'll be able to fix the problem. If it doesn't still work, then make sure to delete the application from your device and reinstall it again. And that will fix persistent bugs without losing your progress. Also, don't forget to update your KlonDike Adventures application, since updating or downloading the latest version will fix most of the issues out there. So those were some of the simple and beginner-friendly fixes you could follow to fix some of the minor issues on your KlonDike Adventures game on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.